Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. This is a 1700cc V-twin, liquid-cooled, fuel injection, Bagger Cruiser. This is a big boy. It's got a beautiful full fairing, frame mounted. This bike also is equipped with the tall windscreen. It comes standard with a small little 4-inch dark shield, but this one's got more wind coverage. Standard engine guards. It also has electronic cruise control, so you don't need to worry about the hills. It automatically adjusts, and it has an AM/FM stereo radio, standard equipment, hard case saddlebags, color match, locking. This bike only has 163 miles on it. You can save over $4,000 off of the price of a new one. It's just $13,699. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero 1700cc V-twin, 6-speed transmission. Only 163 miles, just $13,699 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come by, check it out, take a test drive. Make an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.